Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to get in here and cut some of these bigger trees around Bigfoot, the big old white oak back there. It's a bit breezy today, but not enough to stop me from cutting. The two main trees I'd like to get out are this birch here and that cedar. If I can get those two out and diced up, it'll be a successful day. So let me go get the saw and get to work. So the plan is to take this tree and drop it into that opening, if at all possible. Then, these are kind of tangled up. This one needs to drop right here, and I need to get the top taken off of it right away. I'm going to start the fire after the trees are down. I need to see where the hell they fall. I don't want to drop it right on top of it. So after this one drops, I think I'll take the top off of it right away and then light the fire. Then I can come back and tackle this monster. And that's probably all I can get done today. This one needs to come out before winter as well, but I'm not sure I have the time. Then I'd like to take those two smaller cedars out of here. We'll start with this one, which is a double tree, so it's not going to be super easy. I got to take this back tree out first before I even mess with the main tree, so let's get at it. Pretty much exactly where I wanted it. A little too far to the right, but that's fine. My hinge was wrong. I hinged it. I left too much meat on this side. I should have left a little more on that side. Then it would have went that way. But my cut is nice and flat. I started out too low, and then I seen where I had to go. So I moved up and then gave it a cut. You never want to angle your back cut. Flat is what you want. I had my wedges and my hatchet ready to tap them in if I needed to, but I didn't. So now it's time for this close one. I don't know, I might take that one out behind it as well while I'm at it if I can. I'll have to see how they hit in relation to the fire. That's a pretty big tree, so, and the way it's leaning, it's not going to want to fall right where I want it. Yeah, I'm going to leave that one for a less windy day and take out this one next. Well, that'll about wrap it up for today. I'm going to be tending fire the rest of the day. And that's just 2 trees. That one and that, well actually it's 3 trees. There was a little one behind that one. But you could see that the big old oak now has some light back here. Next I'll be getting out that cedar. I'll probably just take out all the cedars next, and then worry about these birches later. They're north of the tree, so they're not going to shade it or anything. And then I could work into this in the winter. So that'll wrap it up for today. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Click on the update icon if you want to receive notice when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and have yourself a great day.